I'm just gonna start writing a little script that I've been reviewing quite a bit. So this isn't totally off the top of my head. I've just been studying and practicing a lot. So we're gonna do this multiplication table that's gonna multiply up to 10. We're gonna have some columns for our display that'll make it pretty to read and look at. So do column values, and then it's gonna be a for loop script, so for I in range. We're gonna do rows plus 1, for j in range. We're gonna do columns plus 1. And this is gonna be for the inner loop, inner for loop. So this for loop happens inside of this other for loop, so it's kind of like a nested for loop. And then we do c equals I times j. So those are our two values, our two variables. Print is 2d. And I'm showing how I want to format it. And then if I hit play on this, rows is not defined. Oh, yeah, because this has to be rows. So now if I hit play, so it does 1 times So here we've got a multiplication table, so it's like 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 6, you know, you can look at it either or, and that's kind of how I do this multiplication table. This is a really rough video, I didn't really explain anything, but I'm still kind of learning all this stuff myself, but hope you found something that you learned or found something useful. I'm going to copy and paste this into the description below so that you can put it into your own Visual Studio Code and analyze it and play around with it. So thanks for watching.